Now we are into school-age children, starting off with really pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade mostly. These are our wipe clean books. We have, I believe, almost 15 different types of wipe clean books. What is great about these, they all come with the dry erase marker, which any dry erase marker works, but at least comes with one. But they have lots of different things. These are two of the newest ones that have come out. I believe they both came out in July. But basically, I love this wipe clean capital letters. There's also one for lowercase because it splits it up into starting them with straight letters, going on down to curly letters, going over to kind of combining those two types of, pen control, and then going on the zigzags. And inside the pictures, they're just a lot of fun because as they are learning how to draw something, not only do they have a place to actually practice drawing it, but the shapes of the letters are actually inside their pictures. So that was a letter O. Here's a letter C. So they got a bunch of little BCs they can actually do within the caterpillar. And like I said, they also got the line to help them practice. And so capital letters and lowercase letters definitely work the same. Here they are again. And usually on the arrows, they at least have like a starting point for them. And so then they can do the letter themselves. Now, words to copy, what I love about this one is it gives them the letter to trace with a picture of it nearby. But then they also have the blank so they get used to actually writing those letters with no help whatsoever. And so this is really neat. We have some on addition and subtraction, one on multiplication, even have one called telling time, which I absolutely love because I remember when I taught and kids just couldn't figure that out. Now what's also cool about these wipe cleans, they have come out with some amazing little activity packs. And there's several different ones, but this is my favorite one. It's called Get Ready for School. And it has 4 of our wipe clean books in just a smaller size. So it has our 1, 2, 3. It has our alphabet, which is basically one page will be a bunch of words that start with A that they can trace on. Ready for Writing is different shapes. So it's mainly just teaching them pen control. And first letters just has the shape of the letters inside those pages. It's a cute little bag, so especially if you got a little girl or a boy, they feel like they can actually own this and they can take it wherever they want to. The inside, one of them has the white clay marker on it, but then the rest are here. And as you can tell, compared to the others, they're quite a bit different size. These are great to throw in a purse, a diaper bag, even the kids' little backpack. Gives them something to do. They absolutely love these things. And once again, exactly like the wipe clean books, just in a smaller size. So those are my favorites for the kiddos that are just starting off in school. Actually, my son started using them when he was 3. Now this is one of our most popular series in the world. They are Shine-A-Lite. So if you just look up Shine-A-Lite, or you could put in the search word secrets, that would get you to almost all of these. What these are is the illustrator has made the back of the pages black and white. So when you're actually looking at a page, you'll read it and it usually asks you a question. Can you see what is covering it? And when you shine the light behind the page, lo and behold, the kid can start to see the animal. And I will say that when it's dark, it's a whole lot easier to see. Let me see if I can find one that's a little trickier on the camouflage book. They are in here. I just got to find where to look. Very strange creature with 8 legs is resting on the sandy seabed. Can you see it? And so they'll shine the light behind it, and all of a sudden you've got the octopus. And kiddos love this stuff. And then they turn it around and they get to read about it. Lots of fun. I believe there are now 15 that are in the Shine-A-Lite series. So definitely check them out. We have Spacebook. We have, oh goodness, Spacebook, trains, construction sites, everything. These are called the Big Book, and there are about 15 of them as well. This is one of the newest ones and my favorite right now. Big Book of the Body. Don't worry, it doesn't go too in depth, but it basically gives them a lot of information. And all the big books have at least 4 different pages that open up larger. Some open up this way, some open up the other direction. But it gives kids a lot of fun stuff to look at as they're looking through here. And lots of great information. Once again, we have books on trains, astronauts, space, everything that you can think of. And these are actually pretty thick cardboard pages. Pretty durable. I know a family that has almost every one. Her boy is honestly a little destructive, but he hasn't been able to tear those up yet. Okay, 2 more in this series. These are my 2 ultimate favorites. So I'm going to show them at the same time.